What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of the High Vis Shirt. Today we've got Season 1, Episode 4, Garage Foundation Reinforcement. So what we've got going on here on the video is me laying down the longitudinal and horizontal reinforcement running in the bottom of the foundation footing along the perimeter of the garage. Now you can see I'm laying out the main longitudinal number 4 bars, just spacing those and laying them out so I can get going on tying them. Now that I have all the longitudinal bars laid out, it's time to set down the transverse reinforcement, which is the rebar that's running technically in like the short direction of the garage. So spacing on this is 24 inches on center. Now that I've got the longitudinal and transverse bar all laid out, just running through the tedious task of friggin' tying all the joints and getting them all tight and made sure they're laid out correctly. Giving you all a close up here, you can see the 24-inch on center spacing. And now you look on the outside by the forms, you can see all the dowel bars at 1 foot on center. So those are the main reinforcement for that footing extending down into the slab, which will tie that into the main mat. And then in the bottom of the foundation, you can see those longitudinal bars.
So today we're going to be installing the Simpson strong tie anchor mates for 5/8 inch anchors. Helps keep the anchor in the right spot. So check them out.
Looking around the perimeter of the foundation, you can see all those blue devices there, which would be those Simpson anchor mates I just talked about previously. Those worked real well to hold whether it was the shear anchors or the J-bolts, or even my U for ground and even the water pipe there. I used it to stub those up nice right in the center of the wall. So now I'm just running around tying it up, doing the last minute touches. So here we've got the final product prepped and ready for the concrete pour. You can see all the forms are completed and braced. Got the blue anchor holders all the way around the perimeter. All the main reinforcement running in both the transverse and longitudinal direction. All of it sitting on dobies for proper concrete clearance. And then down the middle, we've got the screeds for the finisher's elevation to make sure the slab's level, as well as protection around the plumbing to make sure the concrete isn't poured right up against it for flexibility. Overall, it went well. So again, thanks for watching. Really appreciate you taking the time. Hope you enjoyed the video, and tune in next week for the big day, concrete pour day. Thanks, guys.